Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time.
All right, this street here is via Lorado, and in the distance there, I can see the Point Vicente lighthouse and then Catalina Island. It's beautiful. This is via Victoria over here, and we're in the Point Vicente School District. There's a new listing right down the street here. Amazing. So this is a flag lot that comes down the street to your own private oasis here with just the huge view. Sunsets all year long. Here's our front door, and they have 3-car garage down below, and then a shed in the back and some grass. So we have this beautiful decking as we come up to the front door. Super nice. Private too. Let's just look back here real quick. Looks like there's a patio deck and a barbecue. Woo! Huge view. Yeah, barbecue, and then another little sitting area here. Oh, how cool. Looking out to the view to the sunset. Beautiful front door here. Dutch door too, so it lets the air in. And coming on in, so what a nice entrance. Beautiful maple flooring. Nice big vault here that's been all opened up. You come through, that's access to the kitchen there. But you come into this big open room with just view everywhere. Even some city lights view. If we go from here, I can see there's Malibu. And then it comes all the way around. I can see the 405 and then on into Manhattan Beach and so forth. So nice sitting room here with the fireplace, the vault, dining. Comes around to this side. We have a nook. There's another Dutch door to the access to the outside where we were looking before. Nice kitchen, all white tile. All maple line cabinetry here. Sink from Minute Island. Nice, I mean, amazing view from here too. It's just awesome. Let's see, I bet you there's laundry in here. Nope, just a big pantry. It's nice. Laundry on this side. All right. So we'll go to the deck in a little bit. So we go up this way. Here's our master. That's just huge view. Just sit in bed here, stare out at the ocean. Here you are sitting in bed, and then, you know, geez, so I'll come out onto this balcony here. The sun's getting ready to set. It's late in the afternoon. It doesn't stop it from being beautiful. So that's Lorado Bay there. And you can see the ships out off Manhattan Beach way over there in the distance. I mean, this is just incredible. Sunsets. Here we are looking back at the room. There's a fireplace and then the nice bed and the wainscoting into the bath. Love this floor, it's really nice. Double sink. It's probably a walk-in. Then we've got a tub with a view and a shower. Pretty amazing. So, on this top level here, another bedroom. Looks like the windows were replaced, the ceilings are skin. Back here. Oh, they have solar tubes in the hall for light. downstairs. Your direct access to the garage. Two-car on this side. There's a big rec room here. This is all nice tile. So they have the fireplace again and TV. There's another bedroom up there. So this is that other garage. I think there's only part of another garage. Because this would have been the garage. Shower. Here's the view from the downstairs room. It's pretty stellar. There's a giant deck here. This way.
Thanks a lot for watching. If there's a home that you want to see, please write to me. I'd be happy to show it to you. I have a lot of information that I'd be happy to share. Just give me a call or write me an email. Thanks and make it a great day.